Hey, it's Kyle with Wild Hair Moto here at round 3 of the District 20 Championship at Murphy's MX. I'm running 4th place in the 30C class and gonna really try to go for it today, especially in that one. I'm also in 250C, but I'm in like 11th or something for that one, so I'm not as worried about it, but gonna try to do well today.
Jumping ahead here to practice 7. I did make it to practice 3, but was going real slow. The track's real wet and sticky like it always is for these races, which is good, you know, for the day, but not great for first practice. You can see they're just herding cats here. There was a whole bunch of people in practice 7. I don't think this is all 30 plus C. I think this is all the vet classes. But yeah, a whole bunch of old guys at Murphy's on this day, but we'll get moving in a second here. Just use this time watching practice to talk about the track a little here. So right after this one, which the landing just goes right into a corner, we find the first kind of inside-outside split with a berm there. There's several of those on this track, plus at least one proper split lane, which make this layout a lot of fun. Here we got another inside-outside option. And one more right here. See, we're sensing a pattern by now. This one kind of comes together, but not really many close calls that I remember from the day. This inside berm here is built up real nice. I think this is the one where I dipped my front wheel over later in the day. That didn't go well. That one's really the proper split lane I was talking about, so you get a different jump rhythm here. I think I mostly took the inside on this one, but then yeah, they come together for this corner, which is where the start joins the track. I think we've seen what we need to see from practicing now, so let's get to the meat of it, and that's what she said. Alright, so looking at the race order here, today we see I'm race 1 and race 4, so got to start right away, and we've got very little break in the interim there between the two classes, so not necessarily ideal, but on the other end of it, it'll be nice not to have to hang out until late in the day to get results and do the last race and all that. Probably good to be doing 30C first because that's the class I care about. Like I said earlier, won't be all tired. I'll be tired for 250C, and as we will see, that will show in the results. Taking a look at those here, we can see that in 250C I got a lovely 22nd place here overall. I was absolute dog S in that class, so we won't even watch those. We will cut ahead to the 30C, Moto 1 and Moto 2. felt a little bump behind me there on the rear wheel, and yeah, that was Garza 17. Good dude by all I know, but he's been right with me all series, and yeah, he was probably getting irritated with me being in front of him there, and he went for it, and I don't think I really cut him off much, but he went down, so sorry, buddy. Good racing with you, though. Was good for an 8th place, which, you know, I think I wanted better, but not too bad.
All right, not much time for a break because I'm in race 4. That was race 1. So I have a long break before the next 30C race, so I should just go ahead and push myself on this one, but I'll say I was really pushing myself on that last one. This one will just be pushing myself.
As we saw earlier, all that effort to push didn't really pay off in 250C, so we'll jump ahead to later in the afternoon for the final 30C Moto.
Said we get to do a sight lap, so that's awesome. After they water the track and all, that'll be helpful. Not to mention it's had 20-some races on it.
Here we find another yet unseen benefit of being race 1 is you get the sight lap when they redo the track, so nice little benefit there.
Fucking me.
That was Joseph Lance there who went down. He actually messaged me on Facebook recently to ask if I had footage of this, and yeah, he didn't fare too well. He got run over by a couple guys after he goes out on my frame here, and had a bad break in his wrist, said 9 to 12 month recovery. Showed me a picture of a plate it looked like in there, so hope you get well soon and back on the bike, buddy. I'm really sorry to hear that happen to you.
That was fun. Really fun. And this YZ250F, you can probably see I made a bunch of mistakes leaving it in a high gear, not downshifting enough. It pulls it. I could be in a second gear corner and leaving fourth, and I just got to feather the clutch once. And third's like all day. I can almost do fourth around the track all day. That's why I bought the YZ250F, and it's fulfilling the promises.
I kind of chuckle looking back at how happy I was with myself and my bike. After getting a 9th in the first Motos, went 9-8 for 8th. So it's fine overall, but probably doesn't warrant that smile and stupid tone of voice I had there. But my comments about the YZ250F are true. Definitely has some pull, and for a 250F. That was a great day at Murphy's MX. I'll definitely go back to the track for some practice days or hopefully some more races. What a great track. And looking forward from there to round 4 at Three Palms before the state championship at Three Palms, and I'll hope to do an edit of those soon and get them uploaded for you guys. Thanks so much for watching.